Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I create this look using the Morphe 350 Nature Glow palette. So first thing, I'm going to moisturize my face using this sample that I got from Sephora. It's the Belif and I super love it. And this is the palette that I'm going to use. It's the Morphe 350 Nature Glow palette that I got from Ulta. So the shade, I'm applying that to set my primer. This shade I'm going to apply it on my crease. And then this shade right here, I'm going to apply it on my eyelid area. And then this shade is I'm going to apply just on top of that other shade that I applied previously. So I'm going to apply that on my lid. I'm using this pencil to create that cat eye look. Not really good at it, but whatever. And then for my lashes, I'm applying the Kush mascara by Milk Makeup from my Sephora beauty bag, and then the falsy eyelashes from Boxycharm beauty box. And then for my brows, I'm going to use the Benefit brow palette. And to prime my face, I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime. So applying that all over my face. And for foundation, I'm going to use the Colourpop No filter, and I have shade medium 115, I believe, and I'm using the Real Technique sponge. Then I'm going to apply concealer under my eye, and this one also is from Colourpop. It's the No Filter concealer. I'm using the same sponge to blend that in, and to set my concealer I'm using the another Colourpop setting powder in translucent. And then to contour, I'm using the Wet n Wild sculpting stick, I think that's what you call it. And then to buff that out, I am using the Real Technique contouring brush. And then for bronzer, I am using the Precision Formula Butter Bronze. I love this bronzer, it smells really nice. And this eye pencil is also from Boxycharm, so I'm using that for my waterline. And then for my lips, I am using the Kylie Jenner lip kit in Boss. So I'm applying the lip liner, and then this is the liquid lipstick, and I love this color. It's so red, I just love it. And then to set my makeup to last all day, I'm using the Mario Badescu setting spray. And here is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the mini tutorial. And please subscribe, like, share, or comment, and I will have all the products that I use down below in the information box. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.